Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to create threads on a bolt. Let's begin by creating a new document. Part OK. We are going to create the bolt based on this datasheet here. Go on top plane, sketch, click on circle, click on the origin, left mouse, smart dimension. As you can see here, the diameter of the bolt is 10 millimeters. 10. Features: extrude boss. My bolt all the way is 35 millimeters. The head of the bolt is 10. So 35 minus 10. 35 minus 10. Okay. Now we are going to create the head of the bolt, which is 10 and has 16 millimeter diameter. So click on this area, sketch, circle, on the origin, smart dimension, 16. Features: extrude boss. My head is 10 millimeters. 10. Now we are going to create the hexagon here. Go on this area, click on this area, sketch, polygon, make sure this is 6, on the origin, smart dimension. As you can see, the way that we are going to measure the hexagon is from this line here to this line here, which is 8 millimeters. 8. And because, as you can see here, my sketch is underdefined, and because I want my sketch to be full defined, I have to click one of these points here, hold Control key, click on the origin, make them horizontal or vertical, doesn't mind. Exit sketch. Go on extrude cut. The depth of the hexagon is 5.5 millimeters. 5.5. Enter. Okay. As you can see here is a 0.5 multiply 45-degree chamfer. So click on chamfer, click on this area, make print here 0.5, 45 degree. Okay. Here is also another chamfer at the bottom of the bolt, which is proportional to the bolt diameter. What I mean, if you go on this data here, ISO standard threads, for 10 millimeter diameter, my pitch is 1.5. So my chamfer is gonna be 1.5 there. Click on this line here, chamfer 1.5. Okay. First, we have to create the helix and spiral. Go on this area, click on this area, sketch, click on this line, convert entities, features, curves, helix and spiral. From here I have to select the height and pitch, because as you can see here says M10. M10 means my diameter is 10 millimeters. M10 thread pitch 1.5 millimeter, 20 millimeter long. The 20 millimeter long, this is my height, and thread pitch, my pitch, it's my pitch. So that's why I'm going to select the height and pitch here. 20 millimeters, 1.5, start angle at 0, reverse direction, clockwise. Okay. Now, the next step is to find which plane contain the end of this path. Just don't click anything, just go on this plane here, and as you can see the front plane is appearing here, but unfortunately is not on the end of the path. As you can see, the right plane is exactly on the end. So now we are going to create our threads sketch on this plane. Go on this datasheet, go on right plane, click on right plane, sketch, now we are going to create the thread sketch. Go on the polygon, select the polygon, make sure this is 3, enter, OK. Select the center line on the point to the end, to the center. Click on this line here, hold Control key, click on this line, make them collinear. Now let's go to the datasheet here. So all we need here is the h, which is equal to 0.866 times pitch, which pitch is 1.5. We need also the 5h divided by 8 plus, because we need the distance between these 2 points, we need to plus also the 1h 1h divided by 4. Five h divided by 8 plus 1h divided by 4, which is equal 5/8 plus 1 divided by 4 equals to 7h divided by 8. My h is 0.866 times pitch. One 1.5. 0.866 times 1.5. 1.299 millimeters. This point here is this point on SolidWorks. This point here. And this point here is this point here. So smart dimension, click on this line, 7 times my h, which is 1.299 divide by 8. Enter. Now I want to create this curve here, which is equal to h divided by 6. But the way that is gonna be more understandable for you is by creating a point on this center line and measure this distance here, which is h divided by 4. Select the point, click on this center line, escape, smart dimension, my h is 1.299 divide by 4. Select the center line from this line here to this line here, escape, select this center line, hold Control key, select this point, make them coincident. Now select the trim entities, cut this one, power trim here, cut also this one, select the 3-point arc, click on this point here and this point, and click anywhere the third point, then escape, click on this line, hold Control key, click on the arc we just create and make them tangent. Now to prove that this curve we just create is also equals to h divided by 6, we can use smart dimension click on the arc, and as you can see is equals to 0.2165. I know that my h is 1.299. Now we have to divide it by 6. (1.299) divided by 6. As you can see, I get exactly the same numbers. So this is a way that I can prove you that this curve here is exactly equals to h divided by 6. So now, because you are already know that this curve here is h divided by 6, you can go straight away and just put the numbers here with the fillet tool, which I will show you now. Go backwards to get the previous lines here. Go on fillet and type here 1.299 divided by 6. Then select this point here. Okay, that's it. Then all you have to do is to select this point, hold Control key, this path, and make them pierce. Then X-Sketch, sweep cut, features, sweep cut. Here I have to select the profile sketch, which is this one, and here the path. The path here, my path is the helix and spiral. Okay. Then click on this area, on this surface here, sketch, convert entities, features, extrude cut. Change the option here to through all, select OK. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to create something else for you. Please subscribe and like my video. See you again.